here, might need some. Still young, but I move like a new deal to my lawyer. If you're down in my management, I'm just warming up, wait till I producer saw the numbers one. Different colors in my baggy light.
So I have this box here. I know this is kind of a bad angle. I don't know if you can see me. My table, or my kitchen table, is full. I just showed my address. My kitchen table is full of a bunch of shoes right now, because like I just have nowhere else to put them. This is actually a dope sticker. And then a Mariah Carey sticker thing right here. Pretty dope. Dude, this shit's creepy. I have a Supreme Chucky doll and a pin right here. It says stay positive. So
you know what they say, you just can't keep a good guy down.
Yeah, that's really weird. Definitely gonna put this out in the garage. I had a Supreme box logo. It got canceled and it said like customer canceled the order. Obviously I didn't cancel it. So unfortunately I just got the Chucky doll, but I mean, I can't really complain. It's cool. Probably gonna go in the shop / office / thing, but definitely not staying in my room. This shit's weird.
Now you got the pen and pad, you're trying to take my
Okay guys, so we're gonna be moving this to 10 Toes or taking it to Cam. Don't know how we're gonna do it, honestly, because it's just me and Kaylee. We'll see. I mean, I had trouble getting it into the house from the back porch, so getting it into a car, we'll see. It might not happen, probably will. You guys will see, I don't know. Dang. I'm selling my Jubilees. Kind of breaks, honestly. Probably get more out of them at the mall, so I'm gonna sell them today. Lucy, come on. Come on, Lucy. Let's go. Lucy, come on, hey. Lucy.
Hey, do you know what this is by any chance?
Lucy!
Okay, do you want me to help you with that, or?
It's heavy though, so here.
Like super heavy?
Unfortunately, I forgot to move the camera, so you guys didn't see us put it in our car, but my neighbor had to come over and help us because it was quite a task. But now we got my 6 pairs of Jubilees at Arcade. I think we're ready to go. Damn, are those yours?
You got another gift for us, don't you?
I do. Are these yours?
I wish,
oh,
bro.
Shit.
Someone actually did message us about an 8.5. So when I saw these come in, I was like crying, ready to put them on feet. And then I saw a size 10 and I
Damn.
was upset.
Yeah, they're only on sneakers, so I couldn't do very good, but.
Bro, they're nice.
They're crazy, yeah.
They dipped a little bit, but they're still doing good, like 700 to 800. For dunks especially.
Yeah, I was really surprised looking at them.
Oh, they're sick, bro.
Oh yeah, and the snowflake on that.
Can't miss the inside either, bro.
Shit.
Crazy.
Yeah.
We got that out of the way. Sheesh.
That's just way too heavy.
I don't know if it's too heavy or if I just need to work out more.
I haven't even seen them.
Is yours still in the box too?
Yeah, I don't want to open it up until I'm ready because
to actually build this shit.
Yeah.
How long do you think it's gonna take?
I have no idea. Well. Oh shit.
Bro.
Damn.
You guys don't even know. If you know what these are.
I know those, but I don't know these. Oh shit.
OU Jordan player, like only the players got these, and these ones, the ones are the most rare ones. These came out a couple years ago, yeah. But we got them from our good friend. He played at OU. He's now going to the NFL draft. But for real, this is the craziest shoe that I've ever seen.
Yeah,
and it's just a blessing to be able to have it in our possession, you know. And another crazy fact, they didn't give him the box. It has the sample tag, and it actually has his number on the inside. So they didn't come with boxes, because they didn't want the players to resell them. So you'll never find a dead stock one. But with these being in the condition that they are, especially ones,
I thought they were DS.
No,
pretty much.
They can't. They have to wear them.
Yeah.
But it's insane, man. I'm like shaking. But got a great deal on them too, so.
Hell yeah. I think another
And then there's this. I don't even know what this is.
I was gonna wrap it and like it would be a Christmas gift, but it's dope. It's
what
dope.
do you? Can I get a hint?
I mean, it's on the box right there, bro.
Oh, well, the fours are covering it up.
Shit, this is a thumbnail. Hold up. Fire, bro. Hi, bro.
Hi, bro. I appreciate you for blessing me.
We got the machine. Good luck.
blessing us.
I might come back and help him set it up. I don't know, we'll see. That'd be a dope video, but
Yeah, that'd be a dope time lapse.
yeah, something
Cool
light.
idea.
I don't know. Take it
Alright,
easy.
bro, I appreciate it.
There was a guy that just took a fucking shot. I don't know if you can hear me, but a guy, he was walking in the mall. He had one of those little bottles of Fireball or something, yeah. And he just fucking cranked that shit and walked in the mall.
Hey. Oh wait, how do I see? Oh no. No. Hunter went to wipe concrete off of his shoes
Loser, am I right?
because he stepped in the wet concrete out.
Hi guys, we're back at the shop now. The shop, the office, I don't really know what it is. We bought some of these leaf things, like shrubbery that we're gonna put up on this block wall right here. Then probably do a new door or whatever. We're about to repaint the walls, kind of. There's some stuff that needs to be fixed up. Paint the trim white, paint in between the ceiling tiles. Actually take the ceiling tiles out because we're gonna replace them. And then paint that the same color of the wall. And then, yeah.
Hey.
And then kind of as far as we're at right now. So I don't know, probably won't finish tonight. It might take us a couple days. I don't really know. All right guys, so we're painting and stuff. We got most of these walls done right here. We got some of that done, some of the trim done. We stepped in something wet. But I was on here, I saw the notification for the finish line raffle like locally. I get on this bitch, size 9 confirmed, that's a dub. I don't really know how good these are gonna do. Resell, some people like them, personally I don't. You like them? I don't. You don't like them yet? I don't like them either. I don't know. We'll see. Size 9 is probably a pretty good size though. Hopefully we can pick that up. I was wanting to get more pairs with this little method I have. Video soon on that. But unfortunately I didn't get to do it in time. If it does good, if people like it, size 9 will do pretty good. We'll see though. But that's a dub, already having one. They drop like next week I think.
Chalk it up, talk of the town where you're talking up. Wanna get you a ring.
So yeah, Hunter's blaming me for absolutely everything going wrong, and her. Aww. And Jackson's just laying on the floor. And Ben and Taylor will be here soon.
This video is sponsored by Taco Bell. Don't tell Hunter, but we got paint on the floor.
No, please, no photos. I keep giving game away. I put game away.
Okay guys, so all the girls are going to Walmart because we're getting a staple gun because we're putting up the shrub wall. Look how beautiful that is. How cute. But we'll be right back. Okay guys, I'm really scared because we're not supposed to record in here. And I got a weird look when I walked in. But we're in Walmart and we're about to go get a staple gun. Okay, we found a staple gun that is at $50.
This one's $9.
Which one? That looks kind of like shitty.
Wait, 18 gauge.
But yeah, this is a little bit of a SHIT show.
I'm telling Hunter.
Insert cash or select payment type.
It smells gross, like marijuana.
The good kush.
Okay, but we secured the staple gun. And we're leaving Walmart and I didn't get in trouble. And I took my mask off. Don't cancel me. Guys, I'm sorry we're not in the Porsche today. We're in Ben's country truck. Ben has her boyfriend. We're in the country truck, not the Porsche, and I'm sorry. Oh, so cute. We're back. We're back. We're back. And we got everything we needed. It's my 2 friends over there. They're my only friends.
Oh yeah?
Let me see your hair. Aww.
You record
She looks like a little Tallulah.
Did you get a no gun? Alright. What did she get?
Nails.
Is that gonna work?
Yeah, this will work. It doesn't have any staples, and you bought. That's not staple.
This work?
That's not a staple.
God damn it.
Oh my god, guys.
What is it?
It's a nail.
There's nothing in it?
It's all her fault.
So this won't work in that?
No, Taylor.
It's the same brand.
No. So?
Damn it.
Return them shit. Let's go back.
Yeah, a staple's like.
I know, I thought that's what it was.
See, Brad nails, 18 gauge.
Y'all ready to go back?
Yes, let's do it.
Well, we gotta go get nails for this, or staples.
We got nails.
We've been painting. We did the second coat on all this stuff, like all the gray walls. Finished the trim up down there. Now we can kind of start doing some better stuff. We'll start stapling up the. You leaving?
Yeah, I'm about to. I'll see you.
Yep. So we pretty much got everything painted. Do we have to touch some of the trim up? Looks like you have to touch up over there and down there. What's going on over here? Why does this look so weird? We should probably try to get that smoother while we paint that.
Straight concrete.
What are we doing? What are we doing?
What?
Drywall?
What are we doing?
We're putting up the shrub wall.
No, there's something that we're doing. I can't remember what it's called. So we're putting up this shrub wall here. We need to buy more. We don't have enough. So we'll probably do this and then we'll cut it for whatever we need. We're gonna put an LED sign like right here and like a couch. You guys can use like dope ass videos right there. It'll look cool. This looks pretty good.
So guys, we finished painting in here. Finished doing all this, but we're waiting on it to dry right now. Just listening to some Connie. Made that bitch at LLC. And we're drawing. And so we're almost done. We're waiting for it to dry. And Hunter and Ben went to go get tools and McDonald's.
Alright guys, damn, it's already 12 o'clock. It's 12 o'clock in the morning the next day. I've been here grinding, painting, doing stuff. So yeah, that's pretty much it. We're probably about to go home today. Maybe come back tomorrow or the next day, get painting like 100% done. Start changing out the tiles in the ceiling, get new lights. Yeah, that's probably where we're at now. And I guess gotta start looking at shelving and what I kind of want to do with the displays and stuff. Find a couch over there. I don't know, a lot more stuff needs to be done, but we're getting part of it done, which is good.
Do you think you can hear me crunching in that?
Probably. You guys done?
Yeah. He's gonna edit all of this out.
He
No.
didn't even edit
One.
me.
You showed her your penises?
Yep.
Why did you look so proud?
Look, I'll do a presentation.
Yeah, obviously don't put that in the video. You guys done?
Yeah. He's gonna edit all of this out.